Hi, this question is longest strictly increasing or strictly decreasing subarray. So you're given the integer array and then you want to return the length of the longest subarray of nums when it's increasing or decreasing. So anyway, so look at this. So strictly increasing, I'll consider what? Num by itself or the subarray, right? So and then decreasing, it will be the same. Nums by itself or the subarray. So let's look at this. So this is going to be increasing from 1 to 4, increasing from 3 to 4, decreasing. 3 to 3 is the same. It's not increasing nor decreasing, right? So from 3 to 4 is decreasing. So the count for this is 2. The count for this is 1. So what you can do is you're trying to make sure that the length of the subarray for increasing or decreasing are going to be the result, right? And then what we can do is we are traversing the nums. So we are traversing a nums array, right? And then we can set the increasing and decreasing by 1 first. So we starting from here because they are all represent, increasing or decreasing by itself, right? And then when we are comparing to the next value, then we are trying to make sure if this is increasing or decreasing, right? So if this is increasing, I'm increment my increment count to 2, and the decrement count will still remain 1, and then I compare which one is maximum. Okay, the increasing one is maximum, right? And then later on I come here, I have 4 to 3, right? So 4 to 3 is decreasing, right? So I already know my maximum was 2, but now since this is decrement, right? So I reset the increment to 1, decrement to 2. I compare with the maximum, then I reset to 2 or it still remains 2, right? And then from 3 to 3 is not increasing nor decreasing, so I'm not changing anything. But what I meant is I want to reset both of them equal to 1 because this doesn't change anything, right? And from 3 to 2 is decrement, right? So I increment this. All right. Anyway, so this will be the whole entire solution. So let me write it down. So int result equal to 1, increasing equal to 1, decreasing equal to 1. So I can starting from 1. So what I can do is I compare with I minus 1 with I. So yeah, so this is considered increasing, right? So increasing will increment, and then decreasing will reset to 1, and this will be the decreasing. So decreasing will increment by 1, and then increasing will set back to 1, and this will neither nor increasing or decreasing. So just reset equal to 1, and then now for every single time we want to get a max, so I can just say max result increasing, decreasing, and then I will return result. I need a helper function for max. Yeah, so if value.length is equal to 0, then you will return -1, something like this, right? Else you can string this. So I'm passing this 3 integer into here as a array, and then I check whether or not this is length of 0. If this is length of 0, then I cannot string, so I will return -1. Else I'm using a string to get a max. Should be okay. Yeah, so this is whole entire solution. So space will be constant, time, this is all of n, and this is all of constant for sure. So all of n for this one. Alright, I'll see you later, bye.